Oh my god, I worked on my water heater yesterday, and I'm like, fuck water heaters, just fuck them. They're fucking pieces of shit. They build up with all this stupid junk that I like to call the devil, and then I spend 3 hours, 4 hours, whatever. I can't go to sleep till like 2 a.m. and I'm like, fuck water heaters, because they're like all full of sediment. Every one of them, they're just full of sediment. Fuck them all. Fucking lower heating elements are pieces of shit. And you're like fucking fixing them and shit. Next thing you know, the next day you can fill a fucking tub full of hot water. And then you can get really drunk. I'm all